Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect your wireless headphones with your POCO X6 Pro. So let's start with setup of your headphones into pairing mode. So for me, I'm just going to need to take them off the box and make sure that you're aware of how to put your headphones into pairing mode. So what we're going to need to do next, we're going to the settings and we're going to turn on our Bluetooth. We're pressing on Bluetooth, and to turn it on we just need to tap on this toggle, and that's it. So here you see available devices and you're gonna need to press on yours. So mine is first and I'm just gonna need to tap on it and allow pairing. Just tap on pairing, and after a few seconds you will be successfully connected with your headphones. We don't need this. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.